Hi, you're welcome here. So right now I'm going to teach you on how you can create a very beautiful landing page just like you're seeing on the screen, and this landing page can be done on your smartphone. There are a lot of things that you can create on your smartphone, and creating sales pages, landing pages, opt-in pages, event pages is what you can do on your smartphone. And in this tutorial I'm going to show you step by step on how you can achieve that. So for those of you who are new to my channel, you're welcome here. My name is Coach Kevin, and I train people on several ways that they can make money online, leveraging on digital skills and online opportunities. Can you just click the subscribe button and turn on post notification so that you get new updates of any information or any new video that I upload? So we will be diving into the step-by-step process on how this can be created on your smartphone. Do not worry, although the app that we're going to be using, or the website that we're going to be using, it has a paid version, but you can use the free version to achieve a lot of things, and I'll be showing you the hack that you can use to do that. So stay with me and watch this video to the end so that you can get the full value. And I love to see your comments, I love to see your reaction, I love to see what you'll be able to create after going through this tutorial. So right now let's dive in. So let's get started on how to create a very beautiful landing page like this using car.co. So I'm just going to refresh the page so that you see how the page shows. So you can see when it's showing, there's an animation at the top there. So that is what you want to do. Let me get my brush tool. So you can see that this is animated, so, and some other things in the page. So let's just go to the page. So I'm going to show you on how I achieve all this, and you can see this slide coming in, and there's a shadow on this flyer and all those things. I'm going to show you how I achieve them. So you can create beautiful landing pages like this, and even if you are going to do it on your smartphone, let's check the desktop view and let's see how it is. So this is a desktop view, and see how it is. So it's still very okay even on desktop view, but you can rearrange. So you can see it's still okay, but most especially people who are going to view your website, they are those who are going to view it on smartphone. So if you are doing something like this, more of people who are going to view it on smartphone, and you can get all the results that you want to get from those who are viewing this on smartphone. You can see I was able to add a video to it and some other things. So I'll teach you on how to create a page like this step by step. So we're just going to replicate this page, and that is what you need to do. Now in creating a sales page, you have, the very first thing that you need to do is to write out your content first. Write your content out first. Write it out first. That's the first thing that you need to do. So I'm coming, let me get a blank page for this. I'll get a blank page for this. Okay, good. So you do your, so the first thing that I said, you write your copy first. So that's the first thing that you need to do. Okay, write a copy first. So that is what is supposed to be inside the page. All the pictures that you also use, write them out first. So let me, sorry, this page is not showing very well. Let me get Pixel Lab again and get the fonts and give it a new color. I want to give it is white background. So write your copy first. Okay, I'll change the color of this to black. Make it bold. Alright, maybe I'll just need to change the font if I want to, because I want it to be bold. Okay, it's okay. So write your copy first, and the next one is that, okay, what does your copy contains? It should contain, and okay, let me just type the copy. The copy should contain, number one, headline. Number two is the hook. Number three, it's you can have the content or body, the content. Number four, you can have objections, and then call to actions. You can maybe you can have 6 testimonials, then 7 repeat call to action. So if you understand copywriting, so these are some things that you want to be putting on your copy. So I just said several things now. So, and then these are what I'm going to follow to create that sales page. So let me change the color of this copy to red, the copy. So the first thing I said you should do is to write your copy first, and the copy, these are, it is the headline, the hook. So I'm going to show you what's the headline here. The headline here is exclusive free training. So that's the headline: exclusive free training, introducing the income skill called graphic design. So, and you can see that the artistic of it, that is the user interface of it, is that it will be on the white background, and this graphic design is made bolder. Even this introduction is, so just to differentiate the statement, that is how you write, you do a sales page. So, and then we'll now move over to the hook. The hook is the next, which is this. Then, and then, so this is just an example. Then this is objections. So you know, the next one is objections. What I said can come in any particular order. So objections like, who is this training for? Because the people can be asking, oh, is this training for me? Those are objections that can be in their mind. So I'm now saying this training is for this, that, ABC, like that. So this is the picture next, which is the content and what they will learn from the training. They should click to register now, and there is a video of it. The other things that can be added, testimonials, like I wrote down here. So let's get started creating this. To do this, you go to Chrome and then you type card.co, CARRD.co. I guess you're following me. So when you type, you are going to click on login. If you don't have an account, you sign up. Are you getting me? You have to sign up. So you have to do that. So I've already signed up. To sign up is very easy. Just click on sign up and sign up with your email, password, confirm password, and just, it's so easy. And then once it's open, to ask you to confirm your email. So it will ask you to confirm your email, like it will send a code to your email. You have to go to your email and confirm it and verify it. So it's very easy. I think I did a confirmation yesterday. So let's see the confirmation. Let's see the confirmation, and then let's see. Okay, it's not readily here, so it's okay. Let's go back. I want to log in now. I want to log in, so I'll click on login. So I'll be logging in now with one of my accounts that I have here. So I've logged in now. Now I've logged in. This is the work that I've done here before. So you can have multiple work to be done here, multiple in number of them to be done here. So let's just explore. So what you do is to click on those plus icon here. So when you click on the plus icon, you're going to see loads of templates, but take note, there are some templates that are pro, while the ones that are not pro is free. Like this one is not pro, so it is free. There's no pro here, so it is free. You can click on the demo, look at demo, to view how the page will look like. So these are templates that you can go ahead and just edit to become your own. So you can see it has beautiful animation on it. So you can edit this. This is already a web page already, and you can do quite a lot in number of things. So just to tell you that this is what CAD can do. So there are other things that can be created here, some other amazing things that I discovered. Like, let's see this one. This one is looking beautiful. Wow, you can see this page. This page is more like for testimonials. So people who are giving testimonials, you can use this page for it and let people see. And the next one, you can see so many. You can see this page is more like a newsletter page that you want to get people emails, but it's a pro template. So there are some that are just free. So I just want to show you what this app can do before we get started designing. Now look at this one. This one is beautiful. It caught my attention. This is more like a bio page whereby all your handles, you can see how beautiful it is. I think I'm going to use this one, and it's even for free. It's even for free. Like, you want to tell people to connect with you, and then you can use this to create, to just edit this and use it. So you can see how beautiful it is. So those are some templates that you can put, but I won't teach you on how to use a blank document, how to use a blank document to achieve whatever you want to achieve, because you can always design anything if you know how to do a blank document from scratch. So I'm on my smartphone. So what you need to do now is to just click on blank, and then just wait for it. So it's saying nothing yet here. That is what it is saying. Yes, which means I've not placed anything here. So I'll click on that nothing yet here. I'll take it off. I'll just click on delete. So I've taken it off. You see why I clicked on delete? Then I'll click on the plus icon here, but the plus icon here, so that I'll get text. So I'll click the plus icon, I'll click on text, I'll click on text. So if I click on text, I have text there. Then I begin to input my text. So remember, the text I want to put now is, I've already written it down, so they are all here. So exclusive free training on introduction. So I'll copy this. I'm copying from my WhatsApp. Copy from my WhatsApp. So you can see this. Good. Copy. Okay, I'll come to where this text is now. I'll paste it. Okay, now I've pasted. You can see how it's looking. Now sometimes your own might be scattered. If it's scattered, you can make adjustments here. You can see here I can make any form of adjustment I want to make. The color I want for the text is white. Then line spacing, if the letter spacing is too much, sometimes letter spacing can be too much. Look at what I am saying. You can see letter spacing is too much. This is not fine at all. So what I do, I click on this place. I'll reduce the letter spacing to something really cool. Let's check this out. Okay, there's this space. So that is what okay, sorry, this is line spacing. I'm talking about letter spacing. So I think this is just okay. Yes, exclusive free training on introduction to the income skill called graphic design. So let's increase the thickness of this. So do you see where I clicked? So this is to work on the text. This is to I made some adjustments that I'm not supposed to do. So this is to format it. Okay, let me just adjust this. All right, you can see this. All right, we are in progress with this. Sorry, there's an adjustment here that I'm not supposed to do. Let me just quickly adjust it. So line spacing, so the line spacing is not supposed to be too much. Then this first line, okay, this is very okay. Remember the weight, I just increased the weight. I don't want it, I want the weight to be regular. All right, then I come to alphabet. There are some things that I want to change here. Anything I want to change, there is a kind of for the free version of this, you have to use code. Look at it. You have to use code. You have to use this. Sorry, it's very easy, because they're giving you all that you need to do. Do not bother. They're giving you all that you need to do. So, and that's what I'm teaching you right now. They're giving you all that you need to do. All you just need to do is to input what you want to input. So I want to underline introduction to the high income skill. They said if you want to underline something, what will you do? Look at, if you want to underline, this is what you will do. You will put dash before what you want to underline. So let's do that for introduction. So I'll put dash here, one. Oh, sorry, not this kind of dash. 1, 2. Then I'll put on the high income skill, dash. So you can see. So they said if I've done that one, I've already underlined this. You see what I did? Did you see what I did? Did you see what I did? Please watch what I did. Watch what I did. So called graphic design. So this graphic design, I want to make it bold. So I need graphic design. So what I want to do now is, there are several things I want to do on this graphic design. I want to make it bold. I also want to give it color. So it's saying to make it bold, what I'll need to do is I'll put, you can see the first one here, bold is double star, and then that's what I want to do. So I'll put there is also italics there. Italics is just one single line. So what I'll do, I'll make it bold first. I'll make it bold first by putting double star here, double star. So you can see it is now bold, called graphic design. It is now bold. Then I'll work on it. Then I'll put italics, one italics. Look at italics, good. Then the next thing I want to do is to give it color. Let's check. How do you give it color? Look at color here. How do you give it color? Look at color here. He said you would put it in a bracket and add the color code also in a bracket. Take note of these columns. They are very easy. They are different. Like the columns are easy. Yes, they are different, not easy, sorry. They are different. Taking out the columns. This is where I am now. Okay, now let's put a color there. Now the color I want is red. So before I can get a red color, I don't have red color. Just go to just type canva color wheel on Google. Then just open it. Then you have, just choose it to be red. You are going to see the, you see what I did? I have this red now. So what I'll do, I'll copy the color code, then I'll go back to that website that I'm doing, which is this. So what did it say I should do? It said I should do something very simple, that I should put a bracket before my text. So watch the kind of bracket I say I should put. This type of bracket, and then this type of bracket, then I'll open another bracket, then I'll put my color code there. So remember, I'll just paste the color code there, then I'll close that bracket. I'll close the bracket, which is this type. Wow, so do you see what happened? Do you see what happened? Now if you didn't get this part, you ought to rewatch it again, watch it again several times. Just rewatch and you will get it. So what I want to do now is just increase the size of this. See how I wrote it, everything. I just followed. I don't really know how to code. I just follow what they are doing here. I just follow. They say do this, stand up, sit down. That is what I am doing, so to achieve my result that I want to get. So now I have this. I would love to increase the size of my text so that it's going to come out bold. So I'll click done. So you can see exclusive free training on the introduction to the high income skill called graphic design. So are you seeing this? Are you seeing this exclusive free training? So what I want to do now is I'll see, click on this, just give it animation, or let's do that last and give everything animation last. Now the next thing I want to do is to create a section. So to create a section, the same thing, you click on the plus icon and then you you click on container. Are you saying container? Click on container. So that container, just click on container and let's see. So we have a container here, we have a container here, so we can add things to the container. We can put a background color on the container. Let's see. So on this container we can put background color on the container. So you can see background none. So I need color, or you put a gradient color. So gradient means you can put two colors. So I think I need a gradient color. So it has given me a gradient that it can give me. I don't like this gradient, so I need the dark blue. And so let's choose what we want. So here you choose the color that you want. Let's take something. So what I'll do, just take off your, so we have this, I have this red, and then I'll take another one, the red and maybe something else. Let's say the red and the blue, red and blue. Then I'll increase the percentage. You can see the percentage. I increase the percentage, then I'll see what I'm doing. Done. So you can see the two colors is coming out, but they are not coming out very well. So I increase the percentage of the red and those two colors. So the angle, I can also do some things, the angle, and just make it creative. Click on done. So that is what. Another, you can just use a single color. Like change this from gradients, use color, just change everything there. Use black, can use black, and black is okay. So you can see black is okay. So black is okay. Good. Then another thing you can just do is you can make the container round, and width, you can increase the width of this container. So I can, you see what's happening, the width is increasing. So you click on done, so that I can cover the whole area. So this I want to do. The next thing, I'll add a text to it. So add the text to it, and the next thing, the other things I need to write, I'll type it. Okay, the next thing is, you are not only going to learn several ways you can make money from it. That's the hook. So I'm here, I want to add text to it. So this text, now what you do is to carry the text. I just click and hold the text and drag it in. So are you seeing what I'm doing? So I'll click there and click on alphabet and add this text here, then give it color. The color is black, so I need the text to be white. Are you getting me? I need the text to be white. And then I want to reduce the size. Okay, the size to be okay, 1.375, which is quite okay. I click done. So you are not only going to learn. So you can see how this page is going. I guess you are with me and you're enjoying this. So let's continue doing. We'll soon be through with it. Very easy. So the other things I want to add, I want to add something like, who is this training for? So who is this training for? Cuts. So to do that, I will just take another text. Maybe I click on this, look at duplicate here, duplicate icon is here, then I click on duplicate. So I have this, and I click on the alphabet and put who is this training for, put paste there. Then to bold it, I'll just put star front for star. I have it bolded now. So who is this training for? Then I'll get the other things. This who is it training for, I can try to make it any color that I want to. So, and maybe make it red. Maybe I taught you how to make it, how to give it color. So that is one thing that you need to do. So the next thing, I want to just continue this training now. So I want to add a list. So I click on plus icon, then add a list. How do I add a list? Just click on list here. Can you see list? Click on list. So click on list. Then you have first item, second item, third item. That list, you can carry it inside. Carry it inside here. So you can see. Wow. So we have first item, second item, third item. So who is this training for? Then we have a list. Then the first item that I click on it, the first item is business owners who are, so whichever, just copy. So I just want to, this is just an illustration, so I'm not really going to be very perfect. So when you are doing your own, you will be perfect. So second item will be online coaches, so whichever, so that will be second item. Just put here second item, copy and paste where it is. You see how easy it is. So first of all, write all that you need to do before you come here. So we have the third item, which is, you place it where third item is, paste it. So we have 3 items now. Click on done. So you can see how this is looking. Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? So there's a way to also add, you want to add color to just business owners. If you want to add the yellow color to it to make your page look really beautiful, you can do that. You can do that. You can even add on this background, you can add a video on the background. If you have a dark video, let's see, if you have a dark video, you can add a video on the background. So that's not what we want to do. This is just okay. Now you can add another list and do the same thing. So we have a list that is already added. So the next thing that you want to do, maybe introduce the picture. Introduce the picture. How do you do that? It's very easy. Click on the plus icon, then click on image. Just click on image, and it's asking you, do you have the URL of the image you want to upload? Upload it. It's very simple. So upload it. Now if you try to upload here, if you try to upload, sometimes it's going to tell you get an image that is not more than more than 2 MB. If you see an image, if your image is more than 2 MB, it's not going to upload it. So what you need to do is take a screenshot of that image and crop it. Take a screenshot of that image and crop it, and then you can use it. Because if you take a screenshot of anything, it will reduce the size drastically. So it will reduce the size. So let's try something. Let's just try. Okay, this is what I did. So let's see this. I'll extend this and see. So it entered, then I'll click on done. So because this image is not more than, so I just want to do some edit on it, so I'll click on this image, the height, the width. So you can do something, increase the corner radius a little and see how it is. So the corner radius makes it round. So that is so some things you want to do. Drop shadow. I think I love to drop shadow. So drop shadow, I'll drop dark shadow, and this is okay. I click on done. So you can see if you drop shadow, that's how I did it. Oh, I guess you saw it. That's how I did it. So we have this. Then the image, you can increase the image if you want to. So if you want to increase the image, you can do that. So I'm just working on this. It's so easy. So oh, sorry, this corner radius is too much. Let's leave it at this. And so sorry, the height, I increase the height. If I increase the height to that extent, I also increase the width to that extent. Then you can be seeing what's happening. So the height is more increased. So I increase the width so I can balance. Sorry, so just be checking what you're doing. So this is balanced also. This is balanced now. So I'm not going to touch it again. So I'll go over to the next thing. What's the next thing? It's the next thing is who is this training for, or what you learn and more. What you learn and more. So remember, I told you already written all you want to put on your sales page. What you just need to be doing is to copy all of them. So what you learn and more. So that's what I want to do. So if I want to do something like this, I would like to replicate this black design here. So to do that, it's very simple. I just click on this section. Look at the section I click on, the background section. Then I'll click on duplicate. I'll click on duplicate here. If I click on duplicate, it will duplicate for me. So it's double now. So I'll move it. Wow, so easy. I'm moving it down here. So I guess you can see this. Or I'll move this up. Or move this up. So whichever, anyhow I want to do it, I'll move it here. So you can see. So it's in between. Good. So I guess you're seeing this. I guess you're seeing this now. I guess you're seeing this. So I guess you saw that duplication I did. I just duplicated that section and moved this. So what I want to do is just what I want to do is I'll take this off and take this off. Then that's how I designed. You have to be very fast. So I'll get this and paste what I copied, what you learn and more. So this is what you learn and more. I want to you can make it a bullet, you can make it bullet. So let's get what you learn and more, cut, and or let's just cut everything off. Cut. So I want to work on it here, so and pick everything from here, what you learn and more. So what I need to do is I'll come here, take off this content, then on this empty space I'll get a text, I'll get a list. So if I get a list, I'll copy this list and carry it inside here. So I'll click on the list and maybe put what you learn there, what you learn and more. So let's see how it's going to look like. Okay, what you learn and more. Okay, what you learn, let me take that off because I don't want bullet to be on it. So I'll take the very first thing there will be, since it's a list, what you learn, it will be the content form called graphic design. That's the first thing I want them to learn. So paste, that's the first thing. So the second one is fundamentals of graphic design. So I'm using this. So I'm using this as an example. This can be done and practical sections on designs. So you can make a list of anything that you want to create. So that's the third. Paste. Then you can duplicate this. Then you can style whatever you want to style. Like look at, I'm coming to styling. So I want to style the bullets, and I want to give the bullets another color. So I want to give it the red color. Remember the red color we copied that time. So let's check if we'll still see it from Canva. It's still there. Let's copy it. You can just, since maybe you'll be using this red, come and paste it somewhere. Come and paste it somewhere. Come and paste it somewhere. So come and paste it somewhere. So I'm back here. So I'm working on my smartphone. So I'll come to this place and put that red color code. So you can see the color code is there. I'll click on done. Oh, how I guess you're seeing this. So I get a text now, and that text I'll just type, I'll come to this place, duplicate this one, and what I need is done. I'll take this one off, take it off. So this is where I'm taking it to now. So here I'm going to type what you learn and more. So what you learn and more. So I want to type here now what you will learn, you will learn and more. I guess you're seeing what I'm doing. So this is what I'm telling them that they will learn and more. So you can see this. Then the last thing I would like to add, maybe I'll show you on how to add a video and how to add call to action. So the call to action is very simple, like the button. So let me show you how to add a video now. So if you want to, so click on the plus icon, click on video. So if you need a video, you need to embed, get a video from YouTube. So I'll quickly rush down to my YouTube channel and get a link, So let's get let's say your video. I uploaded the video already before, so I'll do that now, and then I'll come here. What you need to do, paste the link here and click done. Now it's not going to show here. If you place your video here, it's not going to show here, so don't bother. So I even like to carry this video here to put inside here, because it will give it a better dark background and make it look beautiful. So there are some other things that you can just do. And the last thing I want to add is a button. So to add the button, you click on plus icon, then you see buttons there, buttons. You can add link, you can embed links, whichever. So you can see this is really beautiful. You can add icons, you can put table. There are a lot of things that you can do with this app. There are a lot of things. That is this website. So let me just add a button. So it's asking me what do I want to put on the button. So the button, I'll type click to register now, click to register now. So I'll get a link and put here. So what I need to do, maybe I'll just get any link that I can put, any link. So let me look for a link. I'll look for a link. So I want to get a link somewhere. So that link that leads to my, so I want to quickly get a link. So okay, let's get this link here. So the link that's leading to my DM or leading to me, so you can put a link that will link directly to your WhatsApp group, so as the people, as they are clicking, they'll go directly to your WhatsApp group. So that is what I do. So but I don't want to go to WhatsApp group right now to get that link. Let me just show you. So we are back here. Click to register now. So this place of URL, select all and click paste. So we have this. Just click on done. The button, you can change the color of the button to red, whichever. So let's do that. So remember, we already have our red color code that we're using. So that is the hashtag. Let me see if that color is still with me. Okay, it's still with me. It's still on my clipboard. So I'll click on it, put it here. Good. Good. Click to register now. There are some things you can still do. Let's check if the button allows to shadow on it, on the button. Yeah, you can put a shadow on the button. Beautiful. Can add a little shadow on it. Oh, is this button not looking great? So you can repeat this and you see how beautiful and how fresh. And the last thing you want to do is to add animations to it. That's what you want to do, add animations. So add animation is very easy. What you need to do, just click on this first one, then you click here, then after you've clicked here, you just click on none. Let's say fading. So fading, then delay, increase the delay a little. So that it's going to delay, is not going to just pop in almost immediately. So increase the delay a little. So that's that. So delay we are choosing is 1.125. So that delay you have used for this one, use it for everything. So I'm still going to do the same thing here. Let's say blowing. So delay is 1.125. So it's okay. That's what we are doing all through. So not everything. So I want this one to give it animation too, and I need it to slide right, and I'll put delay to be almost the same thing. Maybe delay will be 1. Reduce delay. Okay, then we have what you learn. You can have even your video to be animated, so you can see how it is blowing. So you can do this. So be this. So you can see I'm done. So what you need to do is publish your website. So just click on it and click on publish. So when you want to publish it, it's going to ask you for a title. So the title can be my design class, my design or brand upgrade design class, brand upgrade. Okay, let's leave it like that. That's description. It says required. Okay, a design class. Let's say a free design class. All right, I guess you're seeing this. So let's move ahead. So they said the name. Okay, brand. So just do these three. Brand, upgrade, design. Okay, just it's asking you, what is asking you to do is they should be together. So you can use anything, anything. So it's trying to tell you, it's to tell you whether it has been taken or not. So you can see brand upgrade design is not taken, so brand upgrade design available. So I click .cat. So I just click on publish, and I'm good to go. So this is going to ask me whether do I want to view the site. So view it and see how it is. So let's view it now. So you can see who is this training for. Exclusive free training on the introduction to the high income graphic design. You are not, so you can see this. Oh wow, something is coming out. Then we have what you learn and more. Click to register. We have the video there, so they can always play the video. And nobody can resist excellent and quality branding. So I guess you're seeing that the video is playing, and the person can click to register, and let's say it's taking them to the destination. So that is what you can do. So using CAD, you can actually design a beautiful website like this, or a beautiful sales page. So guys, just go ahead and implement this. Go ahead and implement this, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Just in case you have any question, drop it on the comment section. I'll respond as soon as I say it. So thank you so much. I'll be seeing you in the next video.